Hey guys, how you getting on? Day 2 of the van build. So yesterday, if you've watched the video, let me spin you around and I'll show you. Right, so yesterday we prepped everything, took all the bulkhead out, all the panelling, the floor. As you can see, we've got all the supplies for today, including the teas and the coffee, which is the important part. Right, today's job is, as you can see here, we've got some sound deadening from Dodo Mat. We are going to put that on all the panels, on the roof, and we've got enough to do the wheel arches as well. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. So we've got the old ultra grind wipes. We're just going to use that and a bit of spray there just to clean down all the grease off the panels where we're going to stick the mat into. Yeah, this mat is good stuff, guys. So a couple of sheets on each. Get one out for you. So this is what it is, guys, like a honeycomb sort of thing on the back here, and then this peel that back and it's like a sticky sort of tar residue. Sort of stops the sound deadening, sound vibrating off the panels. So we'll whack it on there and speak to you in a bit. Alright, this is what we're using, guys, from Dodo Mat, the British soundproofing company. So yeah, what we're going to do, we've got plenty of it, so we're going to stick one on there, we're going to trim one in, stick one on there, do one on each of the panels in here, the wheel wells and the roof will all get done. So basically this is just like a silver honeycomb with like a bitumen glue on the back. Just peel it off, stick it on, and it sets solid. Give it a wipe first, get rid of all the grease. So yeah, we're going to crack on with that, guys. Right, so we've gone along, cleaned a couple of them panels. Literally, I'll show you guys. Peel it off. And you've got like a black tar back into that, so it's pretty supple really. It's a warm day, so the warmer the better. We're going to try and get that into there as best we can. So it does slide in there well, guys, to be fair. When it's stuck, it is certainly stuck. There you go, literally that's all you've got to do. Make sure it's all on, all the air bubbles are out. And that, guys, is essentially it. So once that one's on and we've got that in, it's already making a difference. So we'll cut this one in, we'll put another bit in there, and then yeah, we'll be good. Right, you see what I've done there? I've marked the tops and the bottom. Just going to run my knife down there, and then we've got the bit we need. Simple as that. Peel that back off, stick that down the same way, and that's one panel done. Get that in there. It's a little bit tricky to get in, guys, especially when it's so warm today. The panel is really hot, really hot. And you can probably hear them fighter jets as well, which are been dogfighting all morning. Right, that's one panel done, guys. We're going to move on to that one. Right, that's looking good. Makes a massive difference, guys. Can you hear that tinging compared to this? Brilliant. Right, we'll do the same on these panels. Let me move you down a bit so you can see. Just get a grind wipe, give it a wipe as far as you can get, just to clean any bits of crap and residue off there. Same on this side here. Depends how far you want to go. Up the top goes up to here. I'm probably going to feed one in there, and might as well, we've got plenty of them. You right? So what we'll do will be filling all these voids in here, shoving it all down in here and up there. We'll get some wool insulation, shove that in there, and we should be good. Right, same again guys, on another side, peel and stick and repeat. It's really warm in here today. All the panels are super hot, so as soon as it's touching us, everything's drying so quick. I'm not complaining though, because we need some sun. Right, there's them two on there. Just need to try and get in here now, so I'm going to put one in there with the backing on. See if I can squeeze it in there somehow. Put it in up there like that. I'm probably going to have to only put one in there, guys, but that'll do. We got it, we got it. You put a strip next door to that, we've got the offcuts, so we might as well. Done. Brilliant. So that's one whole side done. We're going to do this at the end. We're going to do the roof first, obviously, and then we're going to get these done last. Spin you around. We've got that side door to do, and yeah, we're winning, guys. We are winning. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Have a little tidy up. Right, so this is where it gets a little tricky, guys. It's going to be all cut up into little pieces to try and get them in there. Might be able to get a full one in there. But yeah, that's going to be a bit of a tricky one. You've got little wires hanging through there. Oh, that's a shame that's on that side. I'm going to have to try and get them through the other side. I'm not sure how to do that, but we'll figure that out. Anyway, let's get on with it. Better. Right, that's the side door done, guys. We're now going to do the roof. So actually I'm going to have a cup of tea first and I'll get back to you in a bit. That's it now, guys. We're all done. All the panels, all the sides. They're done. Roof's done as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all the sound deadening done. We're not going to do the floor because I've got a special matting that goes down there, which is also insulation and sound deadening, so we don't need to use that. But yeah, I'm happy with progress, guys. Slow and steady wins the race, that's what they say. So thanks for watching. If you like, drop us a sub and we'll see you on the next one.